It's like having a newborn baby. You take 2,000 photos of it sleeping. It doesn't look any different. Eh? Oh, and he's chucked up everywhere. Oh, lovely. Mm.
Oh, trouble.
Mummy has to vacuum out here, don't she? Just a little bit of that.
I think he wants to mate with the bell.
Tell off it.
Retard bird. You funny boy. Yeah, now he's found the camera.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, now you want to see the camera.
Who's that? Who's that? I can't waste good seed.
You're going to be a bit seasick watching this video.
Ryan's stressing out about his PLP.
Yeah, no.
Having to go and talk to somebody and having to do volunteer. And the guy that he's got to do it with doesn't want to volunteer for this and he's not putting in any effort.
Yeah.
He's doing all the work himself. Stressing out about it.
Yeah, I don't blame him. Why are you making love to it?
Oh, goody, 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 goody. Goody, goody. Oh. God should have given me a hand.
I took him as death.
There you go.
Look what my budgie can do.
Amazing bird.
I don't think my budgie's quite as cool as yours, but still, look what it can do.
It doesn't mind masturbating in front of people.
No, it really doesn't.
You're going to fall off.
Oh,
You're having such a good time.
you're an idiot. Oh God, I love you, Trouble, but you're retarded. He's all fluffy. Mummy's fluffed the feathers. And you've fallen over again, you idiot. You're a strange bird.